I found this to be one of the more interesting news updates. So we're excited to introduce X402, a new open source payments protocol built on HTTP rails. So there was a 402 internet protocol that was not leveraged for whatever reason. And now they're leveraging it in the context of USDC. And so we have like an internet native payment rails for crypto. So what does that mean? So ultimately what that means is merchants don't have to pay the 3% for the Visa and MasterCard rails. They can just accept USDC. And so they're just paying like the network fee, which is like pennies, right? And then on top of that, you are not required to have a minimum spend. On Visa and MasterCard, you essentially do. Otherwise, it cuts into your profits. And so you always require a minimum spend when using a Visa and MasterCard for your merchant account.
I see.
And so with this case, the minimum spend is like, 0.000001 penny, right? It doesn't matter.
So that changes like different like business models.
Exactly.
Right?
So now you can charge on a per API basis, and if people or devs who are using your API, they use it like a couple of times a month, they're not paying a subscription fee to your API access.
Right.
Instead, they're paying per API, which could be a few pennies a month.
I see.
And they're still profitable because, that's how the costs, right?
So this is huge for AI agents specifically.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, where you can have that nimbleness between different, MCP, I guess, connections and utilize those resources without, like you're saying, having to pay subscription costs for each individual one, right? You
that's
can
right.
just use at will, pay at will.